What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again talking about Temu mobile app. So in this specific tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to change your phone number, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial, because you never know when you're gonna need a little bit of help. So guys, how to change phone number? First of all, you can change your phone number whenever you want, out of any specific reason. Either you changed it in real life or you just have another mobile phone and you want to use it for Temu app, and whatever reason you can easily change it, and I'm gonna show you how. So first step is navigate to the bottom section of your screen in the middle where it says You. When press on it, there are loads and loads of options. Over here, what you want to do is select settings. So when you go to settings, again, there are loads and loads of options over here, but you want to select notifications. So here you can submit your phone number. If you already have one, you can just type in another and submit it again. Or when you go to the addresses, let's just find them over here. When you press add a new address, you can add another phone number over here as well. So guys, there are two options for you to change your phone number, so both of them are quite easy. Let's do it again. When you're on your home page, navigate to the bottom side of your screen where it says You in the middle. Just go to settings, go to notifications and change your phone number over here, or just enter a new one. Then another solution for you is when you exit from settings and you're still on new page, go to addresses, add a new address and go to the bottom where it says phone number and just type in another one. So guys, quite an easy process. Hopefully this helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.